Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi with a sushi kit. First, unbox your sushi kit and prepare all your fresh ingredients. Next, measure out 2 cups of sushi rice and rinse it thoroughly under cold water until the water is completely clear. Then, cook the rice using the instructions provided in your sushi kit, ensuring it's perfectly fluffy and ready for seasoning. Once your sushi rice is cooked, it's time to season it for that authentic flavor. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of rice vinegar with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, stirring until dissolved. Gently fold this mixture into the warm rice using a cutting motion to avoid mashing the grains. Allow the seasoned rice to cool to room temperature before proceeding. Now for the fun part, assembling your rolls. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Moisten your hands slightly and spread a thin, even layer of seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Arrange your favorite fillings, like sliced fish or vegetables, horizontally across the center of the rice. With your fillings in place, it's time to roll. Using the bamboo mat, carefully lift the edge closest to you and roll it tightly over the fillings, pressing gently. Continue rolling until you have a firm, cylindrical shape. Moisten a sharp knife with water and slice the roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Serve your beautiful homemade sushi immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.